This sabila is I use my hair to growing, but I'm happy to see my plant to have a fruit like this. This is four fruits, and the other ones, this one is nothing. The other one is one fruit, and this one is one also, but they are growing. But my hobby is for singing, beside to planting. Singing kasi, because singing is reduce pain, helping breathing. It's also an exercise for heart. It makes you feel good. But remember, don't sing high pitch tone. It will damage your vocal cord or throat. I remember what the doctor said about videoke. Since having videoke, he said, the number of people with heart diseases decrease. Maybe it is true. I experienced this for myself. I used to get tired easily, but it's gone now. Of course, besides singing, I make it inhale and exhale repeatedly, paulit-ulit. I take air in through my nose. Hinihigop ko yung hangin, tapos slowly let it out through my mouth. Dahan-dahan pinabubuga sa bibig. 3 times a day, I make that. And now, it is good, my feeling. Of course, if you feel worse, we must go to the doctor for check-up. Because when our feelings is worse and worse, we'll go to the cremation.